Dogs at work. Introduction. You probably know that some dogs aren't just pets. They hold jobs. Dogs learn fast. They also hear and smell better than we do. This means dogs can do jobs that people can't. Service and therapy dogs. Many dogs work with people to help them feel better. These dogs are called therapy dogs. Therapy dogs are trained to comfort people and keep them calm. Other dogs help people with disabilities. These dogs are called service dogs. Some of these dogs help people who can't see or hear well. Other dogs pick up dropped items and pull wheelchairs. Some service dogs can smell when their owner is about to be sick. They warn their owner to take medicine. Search and rescue dogs. Some dogs look for people who are lost. They are called search and rescue dogs. Many search and rescue dogs use their nose to find people who need help. Some of these dogs sniff the ground to find people. Other dogs sniff the air. These dogs can find lost hikers. They can also find people trapped in buildings that have been fallen down. Some search and rescue dogs work in water. Water rescue dogs can pull people to safety. They need to be strong swimmers. For this reason, big strong dogs like the Newfoundland make good water rescue dogs. A 68-kilogram Newfoundland can pull 10 people to safety at once. Detection dogs. Some dogs use their nose to find things that are hidden. They are called detection dogs. Police use detection dogs to find criminals. Police also use these dogs after a building burns down. It may be hard to find them whenever someone set the fire on a person. The dogs sniff for chemicals that might have been used to start the fire. Detection dogs don't just work in the world of crime. Some of these dogs search for termites in houses and other buildings. Termites run buildings by eating wood. They are hard for humans to find, but dogs can sniff them out. Conclusion. For finding termites to pulling wheelchairs, dogs help us in many ways. Dogs are strong, smart, and friendly, and they have powerful senses. They are some of the best workers around. Thank you for joining me in today's reading. Hope to see you again soon on my YouTube channel. See you next time. Goodbye. Thanks for reading. Dogs at work.